Dude, we got mail. Man, that's a normal thing. It happens multiple times a week. But do you always get this? Is that what I think it is? That is what you think it is. Could I have it, please? Okay, here, look. Thank you. Wow. Now get out. What? What up, crew? My buddy James from the Card Inn has sent me over this package to do an unboxing experience, and that's what I'm really excited about doing for you guys today. So here we are. I'm very excited about doing this unboxing, but before I actually get into that, he also sent me a note here that says, enjoy, keep up the great content. And I always love when people send personalized written notes. That's always has a lot of meaning behind it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this over to the side, and let's start with the unboxing. Before I even open this, I gotta say I love the red packaging that you have here, and that sticker with the TCI logo, absolutely amazing. I love the touch that this adds. Okay, so I cannot open this with my hands, so I will need a knife. Man, I hate opening packages because I hate, you know, like ruining them and just tearing everything up. But I mean, sometimes you just gotta. But I also love packages. I love opening packages. It's like, it's a rough life. So I'm gonna do my best to open this without damaging anything. But no guarantees. Oh, I think I'm doing it. I think I'm doing it. I thought this knife sucked, but it's okay. Here we go. Ah, there it is. Whew. Damn it, so close. Okay, so I couldn't get it perfect. There's a bit of a tear, but that's okay. All right, let's open these bad boys up. Oh, wow. First of all, these stickers, very nice. Oh, I love that Baby Yoda. First one says, thank you, I must. This one's the Baby Yoda holding up that TCI, the TCI package. And of course, the last one is that TCI logo sticker, and I know these are gonna go right on my laptop. And now for the moment of truth, let's check out these decks. And dude, James, I don't know if you've researched me, but these are pretty much the decks that I love using. All right, the first deck right here is the Remedies deck. And the only reason I don't use the Remedies deck too much in my videos is because I actually like it a bit too much and I don't want to ruin it by using it too much. So I love that you gave me this Remedies deck. Oh, and these Winter Nox. The Nox series is one of my favorite types of playing cards, so I absolutely love this. And one more thing that I really like, I love how you have these cards encased in these boxes. I think that adds a really nice touch, and honestly, I just love this so much. Let's actually go ahead and open up one of these. Since I already did a Remedies review on my channel, I'm gonna leave that over to the side, and that's gonna be for me only. Let's open up. Ooh, I love it. The more opening I can do of a package, the more enjoyment I have. Here we go. Here we go. Of course, there are also some struggles in opening. There it is. Yeah, let's open up these Winter Nox. Whew. Oh, there we go. I didn't even need the knife. Oh, I love the sound of opening up a new deck of cards. You have no idea. Sometimes you just want to take that smell in as well. That new deck smell. Absolutely love it. Whew. Dude, I love these Nox. I love the shine that the cards have on the back. I love the simplicity of the Nox design. Oh, I love these Winter Jokers. Oh, absolutely. This is such an amazing deck. Whew. Look at that. Bam. Bam. It's always difficult to do cardistry with a new deck, but that's my attempt. That's my attempt at it. Of course, that dribble of a new deck. So nice. Thanks so much to the Card Inn for letting me do this unboxing experience. I can honestly see myself unboxing like this all the time because I absolutely enjoyed it. I love the personal touches you add. I love these stickers. I love the casing. I love the decks you chose. So this was absolutely amazing. I enjoyed every second of this. Thanks again, James, for letting me do this unboxing experience. And for everyone else that's watching, make sure to go check out the Card Inn's website. I'll put the link to it down in the description if you guys want to do unboxings like this as well. All right, so that being said, peace out.